for me. Got my clothes looking nice and neat for me. Niggas, why you dressed above me? Us, got our own style, acting wild. I'm a nigga with sweats and some slacks. Motherfucker, bring own style back. Nigga, I got Nike with my shoes on. Nigga, I got suits with my Jordans on. Nigga, I get it on like Barry Bonds. Hit a home run out of here, the nigga gone. My mind frame so elevated. I don't need weed, just a bitch in the bad place. Fish and some cornbread. Little chicken, no fried bake to the head. I'm eating fish like a G. Eating healthy, can't you see? Yeah, nobody got a six-pack. Little beard, just muscles, can you dig that? Yeah, faggot niggas better jump back. If you want it with black, you better strike your rap. Yeah, bring a rap pack to get that. Sammy Davis Jr. even asked nigga to come back and hang out at his own crib. You ain't asking your bitch, part of my ribs. And your kids, part of my dick, cause I shot him out all on your girl's teeth and tits. That's the shit, nigga. Freestyling, I'm the shit, nigga. Get with me, nigga, that's the wish, nigga. Fucking with torch blazing, nigga, you better wish, nigga. Ask your bitch, nigga, who getting chips, nigga. I'm in the bins looking fly, that's the whip, nigga. 4.5, riding down the highway, nigga. Do it my way like Usher on my fly, ayy. Nigga from the Sack Town, SA down, nigga, C, nigga, pussy clown. Nigga, what? Let the team leave. I don't give a fuck, boy, I still be a king. Nigga, always doing my thing like my cousin Dane Fame, man, famous on the scene, nigga. Yeah, the boy big package, nigga rap tap cinematic. Freestyling mathematic, I'm an addict. When it come to rapping, nigga, boy, I gotta have it, and you niggas cannot handle this. Scandalous, the way I start rhyming and the baddest bitches gather around, standing in the circle, rolling up my weed, now we smoking on purple. Counting all the money, it's the draft in here, so bitch close the door, let the air out of here. We don't give a damn hair out here. Give a fuck, I got my hair out here. Me and my dog wildin' out, nigga. No tears, shout out, nigga. To all you niggas working hard on your grind. It's 1 o'clock, boys, just now time to get started. Somebody stacking in the room, I guess my style must have farted. Nigga, cold, wholehearted. Nigga, cut no parted. Nigga. Nigga, get him. That nigga said cut no part, you know what I'm saying? Cut no parted, nigga.
You don't want nothing, nigga.
I'll give you some real shit in a minute.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's finish this beat up.
Yeah,
like said,
fuck with that, bitch ass.
My style shit is somebody just farted.
Let's torch one for you hoes. Stay positive, bitch.